Today I am going to share white sauce chicken cutlet recipe. Simple and delicious. Anyone can make it. Oil to tablespoon. Onion 1/4 cup. Garlic to tablespoon. Sauté 1 minute. Green chickpeas 4 tablespoon. Corn 2 tablespoon. Sauté 2 minutes. Shredded chicken to cup. Cook 2 to 3 minutes. Done. Transfer to the bowl. Butter 2 tablespoon. Allow to melted. Flour 3 tablespoon. Fry 2 minutes on low heat. Add liquid milk 1.5 cup. Stir continuously. Add cooked chicken. Stir. Green chili 1 teaspoon. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Stir and mix. Mozzarella cheese 1 cup. Mix. Cook until thick. Done. Let it cool. Make a cutlet shape. Done. Deep with egg wash. Coating with breadcrumbs. Make and freeze. Oil for fry. Shallow fry. Flip. Fry until golden brown. Done. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.